Imam Ali, peace be upon him, is not only for Muslims but for all humanity who are searching for the meaning of life and true wisdom. Sermon 103, about the condition of the people before the proclamation of prophethood and the prophet's performance in spreading his message. So now, certainly God deputized Muhammad, peace be upon him and his progeny, as the prophet, while no one among the Arabs read the book, nor claimed prophethood or revelation. He had to fight those who disobeyed him in company with those who followed him, leading them towards their salvation and hastening with them, lest death overtook them when any weary person sighed, or a distressed one stopped. He stood at him till he got him his aim, except the worst, in whom there was not virtue at all. Eventually he showed them their goal and carried them to their places of deliverance. Consequently, their affairs moved on, and their handmill began to rotate. That as position gained strength, their spears got straightened. By God, I was among their rear guard, till they turned back on their sides, and were flocked in their rope. I never showed weakness, or lack of courage, nor did I betray, or become languid. By God, I shall split the wrong, till I extract right from its flanks.